Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then go to the settings. Now it's time to find and select apps, which are here. And you have to tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in upper corner, and pick Reset App Preferences. As you can see, this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to perform it, simply click on Reset Apps. And that's it. That's all. This is how you can reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.